Here is my honest review on Prodentum.
Are you struggling with tooth decay, cavities, periodontitis, gingivitis, or oral sensitivity, and you want a way to solve it? Well, don't worry. Today I'm going to introduce you to an amazing dental supplement called Prodentum that's absolutely been dominating the dental industry. Now, you might be wondering, first of all, who I am and why I'm making this video in the first place. Well, hello, my name is Kareem, and I'm a health researcher extremely passionate about this topic. I go through books, magazines, YouTube videos, research papers, listen to experts to find the best supplements. Because let's face it, there's tons of supplements out there for every type of ailment, making so many claims, and they can't all be true, right? And I do this primarily for two reasons. One is for my own knowledge, so I can get the best supplements to help with my health. And the other is for you, my family, my friends, and the viewers, so that you can find the best supplements out there that will actually help you. Because we need to be careful of supplements that will do nothing or worse, damage our health. So make sure you stay till the end of this video, because I'm going to talk to you about everything you need to know about Prodentum. What it is, how it works, the ingredients, who should or shouldn't be taking it, and everything else you'll need to know. So first, to start off, what is Prodentum? Prodentum is a dental supplement with 3.5 billion probiotic strains from herbs that helps clean out your teeth, your respiratory system, and make sure that you're healthy in the long term. It does this through the power of a lot of herbs that you may know, such as peppermint, inulin, malic acid, Lactobacillus casei, and Lactobacillus reuteri. Now, before we get into the details of Prodentum, you need to know that since this supplement is so popular, there are people making dummy websites or websites that look like it, but they won't actually give you the product, and instead they will just take your income. So that you can avoid all of this and these bad experiences and websites, I've left a link to the official Prodentum website down below in the description, so you won't have to go hunting for it on the internet. And also be careful of YouTube reviews that say, I've used this for 3 months, 6 months, a year, 2 years. This is a newly released supplement. How could someone be using it for a year, 2 years, etc., if it's just come out? So please be aware of these people and be cautious of that. So now let's get into the ingredients of Prodentum, because as we know, supplements are only as effective as the ingredients in them. There are so many amazing ingredients in Prodentum, but let's talk about the most important ones that do most of the work. First of all, we have Lactobacillus paracasei. This helps with your sinuses and overall breathing and helps with your gum health. Then we have Lactobacillus reuteri, which helps with your mouth environment and your respiratory system. Then we have BLO4, which does multiple of things. It helps with your respiratory system, it helps with your mouth health, and it also strengthens your immune system. There are also other ingredients we previously mentioned, like inulin, which helps with your respiratory system as well, and good bacteria. We have malic acid, which helps with your tooth whitening, and we have calcium triphosphate, which helps with your teeth, your immune system, and keeping your mouth healthy. Now, you might be wondering, with all these ingredients, how does Prodentum actually work? So a Spring Harper study found, in the Spring Nature study, they took a look at people who had good bacteria in their teeth and bad bacteria in their teeth. And what they concluded is that people with healthy teeth have an overabundance of good bacteria. Now, what does this mean? It was always thought that if you had bad oral health, then you had an abundance of bad bacteria in your mouth. And that turns out not to be the case. Scientists are finding that it's a balance between good bacteria and bad bacteria. You see, your teeth are very resilient, and what happens is, with a lot of common or products off the shelves or toxins or other issues like that, when we use them, it actually weakens our teeth. That being said, our teeth can stay good for thousands of years. You even see in ancient pictures people had good teeth. But one modern bar of chocolate or one modern bar of candy destroys our teeth and breaks it down. So you need something to help you supplement good bacteria in your mouth and maintain that balance. That's exactly what Prodentum does. It's, as we mentioned, 3.5 billion probiotics with 5 clinically studied ingredients that are going to help you maintain good health. Not just in your teeth. Yes, it'll help you orally rejuvenate, but it'll also clear up your sinuses, your respiratory system, help with allergies, and strengthen your gut as well. By doing all that, it not only provides your teeth with good health, but your whole body by balancing that good bacteria and that bad bacteria. And that's simply how it works. Now, you might be wondering, with all of this, are there any side effects? I'm happy to say that ProDentim is FDA approved and GMP certified facility under the most strictest and sterile conditions. So it's safe, effective, and clean. There are no side effects. So with all this, you're probably thinking, okay, I want to try it. How do I take it? Well, the manufacturer recommends to take 1 tablet orally every morning. As you're chewing this candy, it's going to have a lot of different effects. First, it'll remove the existing plaque from your teeth. After doing that, it'll help rejuvenate your gums, clear up any wounds, and then tighten all of them. And then finally, it'll also cement the roots in your teeth. Overall, you'll be orally rejuvenated as well as in better overall health. And the best part is the ingredients then act as a shield to other bad bacteria and help balance out that good bacteria and that bad bacteria. And what it'll do is keep you healthier and help you maintain a nice white smile and get rid of all those oral problems without having to seek out a dentist. So with all that being said, I tried to find a discount for ProDentim. And I took a look around, and it took a while, but I was able to find a discount at the official ProDentim website for 50% off in the description below. I want to thank you for watching. Wish you the best of luck in your overall journey and your dental health.
If you want to watch more product review videos like this, then consider subscribing to my channel.